Hello, hi, this is Dr. Stewart from Dr. Stewart Productions and Sid's Wood Shack. We're going to build a project in just a few minutes that is what I call a contest video. This project I'll build is going to be given away to somebody who has watched this video. And if you see this contest rules picture in front of me, you can bet for sure this is a contest video. Now there's a few rules. Let me go over these. I'll take some pictures of this real fast. You need to watch the entire video. Number 2, you need to subscribe. Number 3, leave the word contest in the comment block. Number 4, I want you to share this with a few friends so they can watch it. And then also the contest ends 8 weeks from the post date. A name will be drawn and then I'll contact you about your address at that point. And this is only available, this contest, in the lower 48 states, continental US. And folks, this is absolutely free. We're going to give away this. I'll pay the shipping. And I hope you win. I hope we get a lot of response. And again, remember, when one of my woodshop videos has this short minute and a half introduction for a contest, this is one we're going to give away 8 weeks from the post date. Hope you win. And thanks for watching. Okay, we're going to make another project. And this project is also a contest project. So this is the second one today. We're going to make a crayon holder made out of that same material that I just made the pencil holder. It's going to be a rustic log. And I need 3 pieces. I want to make this a little bit different. I hope it turns out good. Just sit back and watch. Let's put this blade back below the surface. It's always safer that way. So here's what we're doing. We're going to put 3 of these together and make a cool little place for crayons. We're going to try to do 8 crayons here, 8 here, and 8 here. That way we have a 24 crayon unit or holder that we can send to somebody in this contest. Alright, and so now I'm going to go ahead and sand these and get them smooth, sand the bottoms and tops. And then we're going to try somehow to put these together where it's pretty sturdy. I'm not sure how to go about that. We'll figure that out as we go along. Okay, so my wood is cut, and I've got level 1, 2, 3. This is about 3 inches. That's about 4. That's about 5. If you're kind of curious, the overall width of these little branches are 4 inches. A little bit more here, but about 4 inches. And I think I can get 8 holes in here, and 8, 8, 8. You're going to have a set of 24 crayons. Now, to tie these together and make it look kind of nice, I want to try to put that on there, and I'm going to have to tack it. And I really hope the tack goes in all this wood pretty well. Anyway, so I'll do that from the back, so that way it looks like this. Okay, and we'll see if we can hold that together just like that. So stay with us. Okay, back again. What I did, I put the 3 pieces of wood together, and I wrapped this rope around it. Kind of makes it look more marina, nautical, perhaps rustic. But I had to tighten it, and I put a nail here, over here, and then on the back side I put a screw because I really want this to be tight. There's no glue or anything else holding it. Now all I have to do is drill 24 holes. We'll put in the crayons, and I'm going to go about 1 inch deep with the holes. So let's see what happens. For your information, we're going to be using a 15-30 second drill bit. I'm going to go ahead and punch some holes here and start it. Hopefully the vibrations don't loosen my rope. I'm a little bit nervous about that. You know what, we'll see. We'll see. I never made one of these. It's pretty neat though. When I'm done with it, my wife is going to say, oh, I could use that. She sees a teacher at a school. She teaches at Carolina Christian Academy in Thomasville, North Carolina. And she teaches a combined 3rd and 4th grade. It's been there for years and years. It's a small school. But hey, you know what? Jesus only had 12 disciples. That's a small group. Alright, so we're going to punch some holes, and we're going to start drilling in just a moment. And again, I'm going to use a 15-30 second drill bit. I wanted it just a little bit larger than this crayon, so you don't have to bust a crayon pulling them in and out. And remember, this is a contest video. If you watch the video, send me a note saying contest, thank you for the contest, or some word, some comment, and make sure you say contest. After 8 weeks, we'll draw a name and we'll send this out to you. Free of charge, I'll pay the shipping. So let's drill some holes now, okay? Whoops. I'm only going to go in 1 inch, so let me mark. Okay, that's a little better. See, I put a piece of tape here, black tape, so I can see it. I'm going to go just 1 inch deep, and we'll see if that'll work pretty well. Oh, nice. I sure could use a drill press for this. Then I could probably drill this before I put them together with a rope. That'd be easier. And you don't have to use a log, small log for this, but I like the rustic look. Use a 2x4. There we go. See, it's going to go in there just like that and like that. So let me do the rest. I'll put the crayons in and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Let's see what she looks like now, okay? Let me see. Let me start putting some crayons all around the circles. Hopefully these are pretty straight up and down. Let me see. It's not going to be perfect, I'll guarantee you. But it's going to be nice. Some young person's going to like this, some little child. A teacher, this would go good on a teacher's desk. So if you want to enter the contest, watch the video, send me a message that you did so, share with a few friends, subscribe, and then wait a few weeks, we'll find out who wins, and I'll mail it to you, and I'll pay the postage. Alright, because I really appreciate everybody that watches my channel. Okay, and there's one, and there's one. Am I missing? Oh, here's one right here. Good, good. There she is. How you like it? I don't like that hole. Let me see here. Let's do this. There you go. And there we go, right there. Oh, isn't that nice? And I think I might polyurethane just the top of it, maybe the bottom, make it a little bit shiny. Boy, I like that quite a bit. And let me turn it around. You can see it all the way around. There it is. There's a screw I put in the back to hold the rope. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching.